guys, welcome back. Brandon here with Whitetails and Timber. Got Mark here as well. Today we're going to be working on cutting up a log, pretty much making the post for the saw shed to be. We're just going to get it pre-cut and all good to go. So we're going to go ahead and take from our oak log pile here we got and take one of these bigger logs just to see how many we can get out of it.
Should be able to get a good 6 to 8 different 6x6s ready for the structure so that we can have the post ready to go and be able to build it up and then have a good solid foundation. Instead of going and buying stuff that's first treated, we're going to look at using some of our oak that's reclaimed out of the woods. This has been standing dead for probably 4 or 5 years, but there's a lot of good material still in there once you get inside the outside edges. So good portion of what we got started here is not necessarily live timber that we're just cutting down for the sake of building a shed. It's stuff that got wind damage or knocked down or diseased or various other things. So it's going to work out for a good purpose. It's getting reclaimed and reused, and we'll put it to good use.
corral sawing. Looks like we got 6 beams here, 7 foot, 6x6s. You can see 3 of them here, 3 of them here. And then a lot of the scrap on the smaller pieces, we ended up just cutting into stickers pretty much. So we got a whole bunch of stickers sitting here. They're going to be drying out for the next couple weeks until we're up here next, and if we even get to cutting next time we're up here. So we'll see. Well, we got quite a bit of wood out of just that one log, so I think that'll do for us. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully maybe you learned some. If you guys got some tips or tricks for us, by all means, let us know in the comments. That would be awesome. And we look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. We'll see you in a couple weeks.
Thanks for joining.